Hello and welcome to Chester. Today we'll be filming 197s, 195s, 153s and everything else in between. So yeah, we're here for a short period of time, but yeah, see you in the first clip in just a moment. Okay, the first train arriving is the late running 1221 transport for Wales service from Holyhead to Llandudno. 19509, actually 197. There she goes to Llandudno, and here is 197 111 en route to Llandudno. Okay, departing now is 197 111 en route to Manchester Airport from Llandudno. There's these 197 111 en route to Manchester Airport. See you in the next clip. Okay, departing all the way over there is 197 001 en route to Crewe. Sign here at Chester. And here idling away is 195 110. Not in use today. There's these 197 001 en route to Crewe, and here is 150 208, I believe, en route to Manchester Piccadilly shortly, or it's 218. It's either 218 or 208. Looks to be 218. Okay, all the way down there is a Merseyrail unit, either a 507 or a 508, terminating in from Liverpool Central.
In the interest of safety, the riding of skateboards, rollerblades and cycles on this station is prohibited. Offenders may be prosecuted under the Railway Bylaw number 30.
Okay, departing now is 150 218 en route to Manchester not Manchester Airport, Manchester Piccadilly. There's these 150 218 en route to Manchester Piccadilly for Northern. And so many trains in the sidings all the way over there. Pretty cool. Okay, arriving in now is the late running service from Leeds, formed of a 195 107. There's these 195 107 arrive from Leeds. Okay, going out now is 175 102 en route to the Chester DMUD. Holyhead to Cardiff Central. Okay, now behind is the late running 1316 transport for Wales service from Holyhead to Cardiff Central. 175 101 and 175 102. Numerical order. There they both go to Cardiff Central. Okay, departing now is 195 107 en route to Leeds. There she goes to Leeds. Okay, arriving at now is 156414 from Manchester Piccadilly. Five six 414 from Manchester Piccadilly. Incoming is the final train in 197-001 again, en route from Crewe. One 197-001 from Crewe. Thank you very much for watching.